Hey guys, in this video we're going over some standard derivatives and integrals. Most of this stuff is just here for your reference, but I'll run you through some of the basics. Derivative of x to the n is nx to the n minus 1 used in polynomials. Here we've got the derivatives of some basic trig functions. So sin x derives to cos x derives to negative sin x. Here we've got derivative of inverse sin x, inverse cos x. They differ by a -1 factor, and inverse tan x. So derivative of an exponential to the kx equals k times e to the kx. Derivative of ln x is 1 on x, where x is strictly greater than 0. For the product rule, the derivative of a function that consists of two functions multiplied by one another, we have that equaling to f dash g. So the derivative of one function times the other function plus the initial function times the derivative of the other function. For the quotient rule, we've got a function consisting of one function divided by another. So deriving that equals f dash g minus f g dash on g squared. And finally, the chain rule. The derivative of a function that consists of a function in a function equals the outer function derived while maintaining the inner function multiplied by the derivative of the inner function. Onto standard integrals. For all of these, we have to remember that if we're not integrating between 2 points, we have to add the constant of integration. So x to the n equals 1 on n plus 1, x to the n plus 1 used in polynomials. Once again, we've got the integrals of basic trig functions. Cos theta integrates to sin theta integrates to negative cos theta. We've got the integrals of some functions that will end up integrating to the inverse trig functions, and we've got the integrals of the inverse trig functions themselves. Integral of the derivative of a function divided by the function equals ln of that function, and e to the kx equals 1 on k e to the kx. For integration by substitution,